Meaning of igneous.
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 Igneous. The term igneous refers to rocks that are formed from the solidification of molten material, such as lava or magma. This type of rock is typically formed through volcanic activity or the cooling of intrusive magma bodies. Igneous rocks are characterized by their crystalline structure and often have a distinct texture depending on how quickly they cooled. They can be further classified based on their mineral content, with examples including granite, basalt, and obsidian. Igneous rocks play an important role in the Earth's surface and subsurface processes and provide valuable information about the planet's geological history.